is if you want to vacuum. You don't have to vacuum, but if the pool gets a little dirty and you want to vacuum, you grab this long tube here, which is the vacuum. If you're going to attach it to the pole that you had the skimmer basket, or the skimmer and basically what you do is you just attach it here. Okay, little white things. And then you need to make sure that the pump is on and running. What you're going to do is you're going to feed the vacuum hose into the water. Take the thermometer out of there too, actually. You're going to feed the vacuum hose into the water, but what you're going to want to do is feed it pretty slowly, okay, so that the whole thing gets submerged. So get close to where I'm going with water here, okay? So basically I slowly submerge the hose like this. So that when I do that, I see water coming out of it, then I know the whole thing is full of water. I then take it and quickly put it on top of the skimmer. So now the pump is sucking stuff from the vacuum head. Basically what I do with the vacuum is I just go along the sides, you know, and suck up the dirt and other debris that's in there. Sometimes this can be a pretty slow going process. Sometimes it goes a lot quicker. Okay. All right, there's one other thing that I forgot to show you. Is when you're vacuuming, you're actually going to want to take this. If you look at this, so this being the point, this is at like 9 o'clock. What I like to do is then take it and put it up to full, which is about 11 o'clock. What that's going to do is that's going to create, basically in the pool, there's two areas of suction. There's the skimmer right here, and there's also the drain at the bottom. So what I just did is I adjusted it so it's all going into the skimmer box, which is going to create much more suction for me here. And then I just sort of go along in rows. So I sort of do the edges, sort of go up and down in rows, sort of like the way you might mow a lawn. And I basically just get everything that I can. The one thing that you never want to do is to take the vacuum head, which is the blue triangle, and bring that above water. If you bring that above water, you're going to lose suction, and you got to start the whole process of feeding it back into the water again.